Nothing sets the mood like some 30-year-old vines, or the smell of wet fake rocks that are covered in aging signs. But when I stare into your eyes and hear that thunder rise, my heartbeat starts to get all funky like an animatronic monkey. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? Hey, just kidding, unless please ignore what I say. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? Down to themed Americana every day, ordering a burger with a vague tropical name. We'll purchase 2 overpriced magnets with your name in mine, and then we'll display them on our fridge for the rest of time. Our wedding will be officiated by the talking tree. Its face will haunt our dreams forever, just my dear, you and me. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? Hey, just kidding, unless please ignore what I say. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? Down to theme Americana every day, ordering a burger with a vague tropical name. It's just you and me in this world of artificial naturalness. It may be a corporate facade, but something isn't, baby. That thing, it is our love. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? Just kidding, unless please ignore what I say. What if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe? I don't even think that this place is a cafe. I need to tell you something quite important today, and that is, what if we kissed at the Rainforest Cafe?